Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Then click on Connected Devices and select Pair New Device. Finally, wait for available ones to show and tap on the chosen one. Then you need to select Pair in the pop-up in order to connect, and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my smartphones were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to chosen device, choose Forget, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to connect to the same one, you can click on Pair New Device, click on it again, and follow all of those instructions one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!